You have a speech on discipline. The competition is tomorrow, and you have no idea what to write. Stop scrolling. In the next 3 minutes, I am going to hand you a complete, ready to deliver English speech on discipline. One that actually sounds like a human wrote it and not a textbook. Every line, every idea, every word. So let's go. Speech on discipline. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today, I would like to speak about an important value in our lives: discipline. Discipline means having control over our actions and making the right choices at the right time. It helps us stay focused and move in the right directions. In a student's life, discipline plays a very important role. Waking up on time, completing our homework, listening in class and respecting teachers are all small acts of discipline. These habits may seem simple, but they slowly shape our personality and future. A disciplined student is more focused and confident. They know how to manage their time and stay away from distractions. On the other hand, lack of discipline leads to confusion, stress, and failure. Without discipline, even talent and intelligence cannot bring success. Discipline also teaches us responsibility. It helps us become better individuals not only in school but in life. It is the bridge between our goals and our achievements. Discipline is a habit that we build through daily actions. The more we practice it, the stronger it becomes. If we learn to stay disciplined today, we will be able to handle challenges and achieve our dreams in the future. With this, I conclude my speech. Thank you all.